This video will show you how to find your Google Analytics referral traffic source. So in Google Analytics 4, in order to find your referral traffic, you should navigate to your reports section right here, tap in, then you should see an acquisition, tap in or click again the traffic acquisition. Then scroll down, you should see the referral category. In this report, you can see the basic metrics for your referral traffic, including how much you got and how long those users spent on your site on average. To dive further into the sources, where those referrals actually came from, first type referral into the search bar. You can see it right here. Search or type in referral into the search bar to view just the referral traffic. So click the blue plus sign, then from the drop down choose traffic source and then session source right here. Choose this, then this, and then your table will be broken down by how many referrals you got from each referring sites. So from the example right here is that it has a 5 referral site or referrals from the users. So that's it.